Hello, it's an early Tuesday morning, and I decided to show you how to make a Neocities page. This is a learn along. I don't know if anyone's coined that term yet, but this is a learn along. I'm learning, you can do it too. First, I got the username. I don't know if the username should be what I want my username to be, or what I want the page name to be. Let's shop around. Incap, Dream Project. Use letters and numbers. If I make a clubhouse, it seems like a page for everybody. The page for just me, but I think it'll be a clubhouse for just me. That's my username. Alright, what tags am I interested in? Game development. Photo engine. Cats. What else should I put in here? Let's do Control X. Video games. Art. Clouds. I think 2 more and I'm good. That'll be fun. But YouTubing? No. Content creation. That's the term for it, right? I'll also do web development. Okay. Now you might be asking, where do you get the email from, and how do you get the password in? If you're asking that, then I don't know how you're gonna get far on the internet without someone helping you. Email. I'm sure there's a way to get email without already having email. I just don't know how to do it. Or what email provider you have to have. As far as I can remember, my first email that I've ever had required someone else to have an email before me, so they could log into my email. It's just emails all the way down. So get someone that has an email, and then make an email, log into it, and then you can make a second email, log into your first email, and then delete your first email. So you don't have to be connected to your first email. But then it's connected to that first email. So you lose access to your second email. There's gotta be a trick to it. Maybe you can reassign the first email to be the second one later on. I'm pretty sure some people let you do that. Some sites let you do that. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna type this in. And for password, here's what you do. You click on it, and they do a secure generated password. These days, look at all these things popping up. These days, there's no way to make your own password that's safe. You can think up your own password, but then people start to know your passwords, and if it's something you can remember, it's something else. It's something that a computer can crack. So just make it something a computer can randomly generate randomly. And then when it gets hacked, change it. They can't hack you twice. No, there's ways to hack you twice. Lines Tech Tips keep learning about this. I've yet to get my comeuppance, but it's going to happen one day. Alright. I will do this. Hopefully it doesn't save it. I'm gonna check later. 3, 2, 1. Hello again. Are we back? This is weird. Alright, some things I learned by doing this. Recaptures change. It's different looking now. That's a different looking service. Like recapture solvers. Now you have to look at art and try to perceive art rather than try to perceive stuff that image pickers can do. What else? Also notice that the tags have to be different. You can only have one word and you can only have 5 tags. That's my trip up. That's what happened during the break. Now let's read about this. Look at all these features you can get. 50 gigabytes of king storage. 3,000 gigabytes of bandwidth. But 200 gigabytes sounds good too. No advertising ever. Oh, you both get those. What's global anycast? Nice. You can be all over the world. Okay. Okay. SSL. Or you can back up your site. Cool. I got sneeze. You can do site tags, it's cool. Ooh, nice. Free RSS free, thank you. Follow sites. You can have profiles. You can use their own editor. Use the command line interface. I think I'm going to use their site editor. I don't want to use GitHub on this. I'm going to keep it out of GitHub. I want to be free. What is this? Ooh, that's kind of crazy. Got some domain. Prevents snoops from seeing your users' traffic. Do you need that? I don't know what that means, actually. Multi-site creation. Make 30 sites from one account. I don't need that many sites. You can upload anything you like. That's fun. Hot linking. Cost savings versus, wow, you have lots of money. That would cost $800 a month. We don't have that kind of money here. So this is $5 a month. Feel like that's a worthy price. Mostly when we keep the site running. But here's my site, kind of like Clubhouse. Alright, I'm gonna pause again just in case it's something scary on this page. Okay. So it asked me for a little code that went to my email. An email is a thing where like text gets sent to people by something that's like online. It's with cables and stuff and like over the air and stuff. Important stuff. But it went to me and I got some numbers and I put the numbers in and they said, okay, that's you. So now I'm confirmed to be me and I have my site. Now, we have 3 options. You can use new to coding. I'm not new to coding, I don't need to read this, but for someone else watching, it might be handy, right? Unless you want to just watch me do it and not learn too much of your own. I kind of want to do it right away, get building, but I don't know what it's like yet. I don't want to start browsing. Let's start browsing and see what's on here. I got 0 views and 0 followers. As you know from the Needy Streamer Overload, if that doesn't go up to like 7 billion by the end of the week, then you're not trying hard enough. See, this person got 300,000 views. And they get some cute art. So I think the goal is to have a big cute picture in the top. That's what we're gonna do. This looks nice too. They got 400,000 views. Big cute art. This person has Nothing really. It's like Hello Kitty, but it's really small, so it only gets 200,000 views. And this person's like really crazy art. It's got 5 million views. Like vaguely noise based black and red. What else is here? Global feed. Okay. Let's look at the HTML tutorial. Oh no! The 10-page tutorial. This is gonna take forever. I have to sign in? Oh, this is a form. Let's look at it. Hopefully this doesn't break things. This is all my page. Hopefully it doesn't give away my IP in here. What's in this page? You've got the comic. You've got some dialogue. Also destroying the dialogue is their own divs. That's interesting. I like how they kind of thought about that. And you got the panel somewhere. I don't know where it is. Where's the picture at? Is it a background image or where is it? Oh, it's a background image. I don't like using background images. I rather use regular image icons, but I guess it works for this. It's kind of interesting. It's got a div and it's got a background image, and you fill in all the blanks. Okay. Did you learn something? I hope you learned something by staring at that. Put a name in here. Wow. That's me. My name. You can't even select it. It's like weird. You can't select that, but you can select this. HTML, it's magical. Oh god, they've got the built-in editor. Alright. This is everything we need. So I'm gonna copy it. My site has an atrocious address. What's not found.html? Is that for one? Oh, that's for one of my pages isn't found. I use up 14 kilobytes. Okay. How little can I use? Problem is I want to put pictures on my site, which uses up data. I kind of want to stay under 64 kilobytes, but I'm already at 14 kilobytes, 15 kilobytes. And I know for certain I'm gonna have to host all my images somewhere else. I want to be under 64. Or I can just do text. It's boring though. I need a big banner. I don't want to use Imgur. I'm not going to use any of these silly sites. I'll do file hosting. Hmm. Can you get a free file hosting site? I need more free sites. I need more. Should I make my goal be under 64 kilobytes or should I just use up my 1 gig? I'm gonna use up my 1 gig. I don't want to think about finding a site right now. Alright, let's edit index.html. Wow, look at all this good stuff in here. Alright. My goal for you. If you see this, don't delete all of it immediately. Even though it looks ugly. And too long and it has bad things on here. It has some good stuff on here too. But here's one trick. Go here, type this in. That was the less than sign, the sign above the comma, exclamation mark, and then 2 minuses. And then we're going to put that at the end of this, we're going to put the 2 minuses and a greater than sign. Now all this is gone. I don't know why this... I don't know why this... That H1 should not be visible. It should be grayed out. Just view it. I didn't save it. Alright, let's save it. View it. Did it save? I thought I commented that out. It should be like the most basic thing. If I comment all this out, it shouldn't pop up anymore. See, it's right there. It's the comment thing. Is it working? Let's view again. Reload. Here we go. It's gone now. That's what I want. It's all gone. Alright, now at the bottom, let's add something new. Now things are weird in this. You have to make sure they're surrounded by these little marks. It doesn't know what to do. I'm going to call this something new. I'll put new stuff right there. I'm keeping this all in mostly for you and partially for me because it's history now. This is part of my site's legacy. It was there from the beginning. I like to keep stuff like that in the comments so people can find it later. A little bit easier than looking up the site's history in GitHub or whatever. Alright, so we got something new. Let's save it. And then refresh it. Now there's something new there. Also, do I like this? Okay, this is Sunburst. Where is that? I don't want to lose this one before I change it up. I kind of want to explore all options. Here's Sunburst. It's dark. We got bright and dark. Well, my eyes are used to darkness. My computer is shrouded in darkness with all the dark mode. What do I want to try? I want black and purple. What looks like black and purple? How about Monokai? No, that's too bright. Cobalt. Ooh, yuck. One dark. That's pretty, but I don't like it. Urban ink. Oh, that's really yucky. I like the purple, but it's yucky. Twilight. Oh, that's really boring and hard to read. No. That's terrible. How about terminal? That hurts my eyes. Fluoride is dark. I kinda liked how that looks, but no. No. That's kind of scary. Chaos. Kind of like the look of chaos. But what I really want is for the whole page to be changed, not just the editor. Should I try chaos? So chaotic. Purple, green, it's yellow. The gray and the black kind of sticks together and it's hard to read. Try another one. Clouds Midnight. No. KR theme. No. Try GitHub Dark. Too bright. More before. This one looks a little bit different. I can read everything now. Try this one. More before soft. I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna add a comment for people that read my site. Don't release the game. Oh! That's the guy I follow. How do you spell welcome? Welcome, right? I'm not gonna tell them what theme I'm using. That's up for the inspector or for you to figure out. It's more for soft for you. Just so you know. Okay. We got something new. Now. I think the best way to make a site good already would be make a banner, but I don't know any of the details of my site yet. Look at it. It's empty. This is a real hard part of making a site. Do you just drag and drop someone's code? Or do you make something new on your own? Alright. Let's save this. Back to dashboard. Look at style.css and see what it's got. It's nothing. I'm gonna make the background color black. I'm gonna make this white. What font do I want? Let's look at font families. These are only links. Oh, there's Home Depot. Will I find families of fonts? They're Google fonts. Okay. How do you find a font? How about Lato? I like Lato. Good Lato. Is that one? Is that not a font family? I think that's one. Alright, let's check this out. It looks slightly different. I didn't see what happened with the font, but it's all black now. That's already more comfortable to look at. It's got a twine feel to it. A default twine page. I can style it after a twine page. Can I make a big long doom scroll? Some pages are like, you don't scroll at all. Some people like scrolling. How should I design this? How far are we in the video? 25 minutes, nice. We've already come quite far. What to do? Leave your ideas in the comments below and I'll try to pick them up from the past. Okay, I have an idea. First, we type in H1, and then end of H1. Can you do H1 bold? Let's see what happens if you do bold. I'm going to do this. Save. Okay. That already looks bold. I'm not going to make it more bold. I'm going to make it this one, whatever I does. Save. Refresh. Now they're slightly tilted. It's tilted! Okay, let's see what that looks like. What do links look like? Oh, it doesn't go anywhere, so it's not a real link. We have to make a ref. A ref. I think it's time for a new page. We're gonna make the inside of the clubhouse, but it's gonna require a password to see stuff. I don't know how to code a password, but I'll figure it out. Okay. Let's go back to dashboard. Make a new file. New file will be named house.html. This is my house. Okay. Now all this house, sorry, but this has got to go. We're getting rid of all that. I can see on the first page, but it's not going to stay on every page. Okay. On the house, no, we need a P. Keep forgetting you gotta put stuff in little houses. No. There we go. Next, I need a way to put data in there. Now it comes to our second search query of the day. How do we put a way to type stuff in? I want a password field. There's a way to do this in Twine. I don't know how to do this in HTML yet. I don't think I've done this on a site before. Let's research. How to type. Please type. Input. I think it's W3 schools. Anyway, bro. So I need a form. Okay, I'll just put an input. Okay. Global event. Okay. So I need a form. I don't want a PHP thing. I don't want to get data from them. I just want a page to handle it. I think it's time for Stack Overflow. How to get input from user in JavaScript and change page. I can do the prompt method. I want to type it. I guess I could do that. I think it's fine. Okay. I think I'm gonna hide everything and then reveal it. Otherwise, I put it all in JavaScript and it'd be annoying. Everything will be hidden. I'll reveal it. You can probably just look at it by just investigating the code, but it's okay. There's not much I can do about that anyway. Let's do what my brain is saying is the right thing to do. I need a button. I think that's how you do it. Okay. Next I need a script. I can go in the head. Now it gets really crazy. Get ready for crazy stuff. I know all about this. Script. And script. Oh, we're gonna do a weird thing to the button. On click. Equal. How do you do this again? Let's just say actually I don't remember how to do this and let me look this up. JavaScript. How do you do JavaScript functions again? On click. Okay. That is. Why would you need to make the button type button? I'm gonna do that, but I don't know why you need to do that. Codename equal Volvo. Figured it out. Ah, functions. How do you do functions? You have to call out a function. Okay. Different in every language. It's easy to be mistaken by. Function. Say. Now do you do this? Let me double check. Yes. So I'm gonna do. Oh my god. I gotta close tabs. Close all these. This can go to the front. Okay. I'm gonna do let prompt equal. I need one of those pages. Oh. Prompt. What do you whisper to the door bouncer? Now here's the hard part. Making the world change. I'm going to look up an old piece of code that you can't see. How did I make something unhidden? Very simple actually, but feels hard. Uh-huh. Gotta go. I am back after taking care of my mom's day. It is later in the day than it was before. Now, how do we get this prompt into a secret zone? We could just say anything and open the zone, but we need secret passwords. What should the secret password be? I gotta go again. Breakfast is on the way. Okay, we have the prompt. Let's just see if it works. All's been saved. I'm viewing it. Password they demanded. I feel like they demanded. Oh, you should read that. You say nothing happens because it's not ready. Okay. I'm gonna click say. Shouldn't it just work? The prompt method. Okay. Can I even prompt for this page? P prompt PT. I'm doing the same thing. Hmm. How about maybe this will fix it? It's gotta be a type button. Refresh it again. My core functionality is not working. I might be doing it. Try that. Refresh. I'm not getting past the prompt. It's hard to make a site interactive. Sometimes it just doesn't want to do anything. Well, I'm gonna copy this code and try it out on my computer. You won't see it. Let's open a new file. Control V. I'm gonna save it to the desktop. Put it in the folder. Call it webadds. That's taking a long time. And then they crashed it. Okay. Go in there. I'm gonna name this index.html. Now let's read the folder. Push the button. Nothing happens. What's different from that to this? Does it need to be below or above? Does it matter? I'm gonna rename that first. I'm gonna name the name to okay. I solved the problem. Hooray! It's a dumb problem. You should just let everything be named whatever you want it to. Save. Alright, let's reload. Okay. Now, what should our first word be? It won't do anything this time, but we can say something. I'll whisper tune with you. It's a sign of good fortune. Okay. Now let's do more JavaScript. JavaScript. Check if text contains substring. We're gonna get really fancy. Okay. Let's get back to work. Call this check one equals you if word. How did they do it? Includes check one Okay, you don't do any colons. Now there's nested bracket color braces? Yeah, those are color braces. Now for include check one, if we're talking about you, first thing happens. We'll do console.log you talk to you. The bouncer. Read kind soul. And then next. Alright. So we got I'll do div class. Now we're getting into CSS. It's gonna get really crazy here. I'll make it hidden. And div. I'm gonna put dialog tree here. Do class hidden and then ID equal, let's do 1. Okay, check one. Next step, look up the old code. It was scripts.js. Document get element by ID. How do you type this? The ID is I think it's kind of confusing. Let's look up get element by ID. Okay, you don't have to do anything crazy. I'm gonna do one. Next step, display equal block. That's just the standard. And oh yeah, semicolons. I forgot about semicolons. You can do without them, but sometimes you gotta put semicolons everywhere. Otherwise, weird stuff happens once in a while. It's automatic, but sometimes weird stuff if you don't put them in. Did I do everything right? It didn't yell at me. Let's view it. Alright, so it's not hidden. What do I have to do to make it hidden? Ah, copy and paste job. Worthy of song. Alright, let's go to the dashboard. I have a style sheet, right? I update my site. Woo! It takes a long time to get my site up and running. Edit. I think I'm gonna stop at 1 hour and you'll have learned enough and I'll come back tomorrow with more. Okay. Hidden. Save. Watch this. This is the power of CSS. Ready? Set. I'm not getting it so far. This display none. Um. I'm gonna load this. It's a mystery when it works and sometimes it doesn't work. This class hidden. You now have a class and ID. I'm pretty sure you have both class and ID. I'm gonna remove the ID for a moment and see what happens. Oh no. I can hear T screaming. Um. Oops. Save. Hopefully putting the ID in front didn't change anything, but it seems to have changed something on my end. Okay. Well, let's look at what I made this time. Oh, let's link up this link. I'll show you that now. href equal. I think I can do it by /house. Does it do .html or this? Try this. Alright, let's say something. That's broken again. Um. Two boxes off. Option's not working anymore. Does it have to be working really well? This is a disaster. I wanted to work just fine then. We're going over an hour long. How about we do return here? I'm blanking on why I'm not working. Hmm. How does one make this work? I got the first thing to work. I got the link to work. This stopped working. Okay. Let's copy it. Paste into a new document. Oh, that's what it looks like. The prompter is not working. Inspect. Day is not defined. Must be when I added more stuff. Alright, let's look around. We got if they I don't know what I'm missing. I'm saying this for a long time. Console.log now, right? Hmm. What should I do wrong? Should I get rid of the semicolons? Hmm. Let me give it 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Alright, Goofy. Okay. I made no progress. I added something new to check. There we go. What else? I'm gonna remove all these semicolons and see if it fixes it. Because I didn't move. I have semicolons everywhere. Read this. It is not defined. I can't read this. Some error with it. It worked before. Let's remove all this. Okay. So it's a problem in there. Let's remove this. There's a problem in here. Let's try this. Nothing. Oh. Put this back. By saving or loading. You smell nice today. Nothing really happened. Let's see what happened. Hmm. This could take 2 years. Look at my old code. Aha! I was missing a keyword. Sometimes it pays to look at your words twice before you read them. You might make this day pleasant. You like some pancakes? Okay. Well, I don't know where my site's going just yet, but it's gone somewhere so far. It's gonna be a different site. It's gonna be a different site. I hope you enjoy. Let's look at what I built today. Here's my website. It is very lean. Got all the money signs to make it go faster. Web 3. You can count $3 signs so you know it's Web 3. Web 3.0. Along with Windows 3.0. Hopefully don't prevent additional dialogues. Okay. To round things off, we're gonna go to this guy's place to see what's like. Oh my god. Ooh. This is hell. This is utter hell. Let's ask art before we go. Best viewed in Netscape 1.0. I feel like I could find a computer in the garage that has Netscape 3.5. How far did they go? Did they go to Netscape 12? I don't remember how far it went. Maybe I could roll back to Netscape 1.0 on there. What's the 3D Magic guy? Lore in this world. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.